In this video, we will walk you through the Oberlo app general shop settings and help you understand how they function. You can access the settings page by clicking on the gear icon from the sidebar menu. Note, you will not see the settings area if your Oberlo app is not connected to a Shopify store. Let's begin with the overview of each setting and its function. The store name option is meant for adding the Shopify store name and is used only internally in the Oberlo app, therefore your customers will not see it. The Set New Products as Published option makes all your products published and visible to your customers once you push them to your Shopify store. If this option is disabled, you will always have to publish products manually. Therefore, we recommend having this setting enabled by default. The Set Products as Taxable option should be enabled if you want to include tax in your product's final pricing. You can adjust the tax percentage in your Shopify admin on the taxes page to follow your region and country's regulations. The Set Unit of Measurement for Product Weight feature allows you to change the weight measurements of each product before adding them into your Shopify store. Product weight is only required if you plan to set your shipping costs based on weight. We typically recommend setting your shipping costs based on price or making the shipping free and including it in the retail product price to avoid additional hassles of weight-based shipping. The Notify Customer About the Order Fulfillment setting is used if you want Shopify to automatically send the shipping confirmation email to your customer once the order is shipped by the supplier and marked as fulfilled. In the shipping confirmation email sent to your customer, you can include a redirect link to the package tracking website. You will simply need to add the tracking company URL in the field Custom Shipping Tracking URL. We recommend using the 17-track URL that you can find linked below or in the Help Center article. By setting this up, your customers will always be able to track their orders and you will save time on customer support. The last setting, Disable Shopify Login, is visible only for the Pro subscription plan users and it forbids logging into the Oberlo app through the Shopify admin apps page. This feature is useful if you have virtual assistants and you want to limit their access. If this setting is enabled, everyone will be able to access the Oberlo app only through the app.oberlo.com login page. Once you have selected your choices, do not forget to click on the Save button to save any changes you made on this page. Another aspect of settings is related to the automatic updates. We will walk you through them in another video, so do not forget to check it out.